if your board is a complete mess. So if your board is confusing, messy, clouded, with a lot of tasks and projects, if you struggle to see the big picture, to keep track of your details, in this video I'll show you how you can use the high level and low level boards in monday.com. Using this you can really organize yourself and streamline your workflow. What I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna delete this board here, delete, and I'm gonna click on here, board, and for this board I'll write here high level, create board. Okay, now I'm gonna create the other one, board, and I'll write here low level. Perfect. Now the high level will provide a quick overview of the campaign's progress compared with the other campaigns, and the low level board will act like a detailed mission control center, specifically for this campaign. And this campaign, let's say, is something related to a summer sale. And now what we're gonna do first here, so now we have a main high level board, and for the high level board, this will give us the overview of all of our projects and other some details, and a board for individual products. And now for the low level boards we have individual products. And now we can start creating the high level board, and to keep everything or connected, we're gonna link the low level board to the high level board using two-way connection. So we're gonna have to go to the low level, and then here we're gonna have to click on this plus here, and then here we see super useful, and then we see connect, which is the connect board. So connect this board to other boards, easily view and edit items from any board you choose. So select, and here I can select the high level board and click on connect, and make sure here you click on create a mirror column, right? And here we're gonna need to establish a two-way connection. All right, so make sure you check this. Make sure you don't skip this, because it's really crucial. If you skip, then it's gonna appear on the high level board, and we really want to create two-way connection and submit this. So let's click on create, and also we're gonna need mirror column, which will initially set up the status. This way you can see that the high level board is now linked to the low level board. So clicking on this information will display its connection. So let's click on create there. Then here we can see this icon here showing that is showing connected items from low level board. So this way is showing that you have linked the low level board, right? When you click, so clicking on the information will display the connection. Now we can navigate to low level board, and then here we can see a new connection. We can see you'll notice the column has appeared linking to the high level board. We have here high level board and then the low level board, so we just linked the way we wanted. Now here what you're gonna want to do here is to click on, okay, and here I'm gonna go to low level. Right over here you have the low level, and I'm gonna click on the three dots here, right there, and here I'm gonna click on the three dots. You have this default items value, and we can click on save. Make sure you connect it to the, you can see here low level, and here I'm gonna select here link high level, and then I can select this one here. So now I'll select work, save. Now is just connected. It connected very easily. So now I'm gonna have to test this. So I'm gonna click on low level. Here I'm gonna add a new item. I'm gonna write here art work working. That's the project, and then here I should see that is updating or just updated. Okay, so just updated. As you can see, we have this here on from low level. And also when you change the status, so if I go to low level and I see the artwork here and I click on this and I select stock, let's say I change the status to stock. If I go back to high level, here I should see stock as well, and I do see, so it works just fine. And so it's really helpful to use high level and low level boards together, because you can get a big picture of your project's progress while you're sure that, okay, what I'm doing this, what I'm working on here is executed at the highest level, and it's just a game changer for me, because for a business owner, really, by managing multiple projects, and this can save you more time, and look how helpful this can be. Let's say here in low level I add another item, project number 2, let's say, and then here I'm changing the status, I'm changing to working on it. Then I'm gonna add another one, working in progress. Okay, and I'm gonna change the status for this one as well. Now if I go in high level, I see that I have 3 here, right? Look, project number 2, art in progress, and I can also see here working stock, done, and I can also change the name for this one in status, let's say. So now let's give I'm gonna give you another scenario. Let's say I'm running a marketing team, and we need to track campaigns across different stages. So we're gonna use the first board. We're gonna create the first board. So here I'm gonna select projects, and here I'm gonna write campaigns ideas. And I'm gonna create this board. And now for this board, I'm gonna capture ideas for marketing campaigns. I can do like brainstorming with my team for this marketing campaign. In this column, I can I can add items related to my campaign name, description, the status. Already have the status here. People I'm working with, helping me to create to come up with ideas, and a date when I need to finish this, so I can move to the next. I can create my active campaign. So the next board I'm gonna create here is this one here, called active campaign. All right, and now I'm gonna create the board. I'm gonna create this board, and now once I have this created, I'm gonna make sure this board is dedicated to words, or is focusing on campaigns that are currently in execution phase. So I can have these items here related to the campaign name, the start, the end, and the performance on this campaigns here. So now let's see here in active campaigns, I have ideas that I've accepted, that I have here. I talked with my team, I discussed what ideas, I brainstorm ideas, and I decided to implement some ideas in my campaigns. So what I'm gonna do right now, because we're gonna have to connect this board, so I'm gonna click on here on this plus right here, and here I'm gonna write connect, and then here I have connect boards, add, and then here select boards. I'm gonna select this one, campaign ideas. I'm gonna move this camera here 1 second, and then make sure you check create a two-way connection, because what I'm planning to do here with these two boards is, for first board is what I have my ideas. This is where everyone throws out their ideas. We are brainstorming ideas. And the active board, and please wait, because I'm explaining why I'm using this example, what I'm going with this. In the action board, this is where you list specific tasks everyone needs to complete a project, right? So connecting these two boards with a simple arrow helps everyone to see how the ideas relate to the text. So with using but if you are using actually two-way connection, is like having a double-headed arrow, and this can be very helpful. So let's say you move an idea from your ideas board to the action board. With two-way connection, this idea will automatically disappear from the ideas board because it's already been acted on. So this keeps both boards really connected, so everyone ensures that everyone knows what's happening. So please select, check this, connect boards, can use mirror boards here, and that's it. So now I'm gonna click on here. I have some campaign ideas, and here I have, you see, linked to, you can see here this text linked to active campaigns. And now I can select all of this, and then click on here, and now here you have two active ideas. And now if I want, let's say, to, when I'm adding a new project, so I'm adding the new project here, maybe I'm thinking about new ideas, I brainstorm some ideas, I like to add this idea here, and then I'll see later on how it develops. So I'll have here another campaign idea, number 4. And I don't want to take more time to assign to the active ideas. So what you can do, instead of doing that, I can click on here and then select define item value, and the item value I define is active ideas. Now when I add a new project, let's say if I duplicate this, duplicate with updates, will duplicate active ideas. But even if I write here something, it will actually assign the active ideas here, as you can see. So this way, by using by connecting or using connect boards, using this feature, this way you can really, it saves you some time, and you can really be productive within monday.com. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.